Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn Klaviyo SMS Marketing for Shopify tutorial, start to finish. In today's digital age, reaching your customers efficiently is more crucial than ever. If you're running a Shopify store, leveraging SMS marketing through Klaviyo can be a game changer. It's all about connecting with your audience in a personal, direct manner that emails sometimes fail to achieve. This tutorial will guide you through setting up SMS marketing for your Shopify store using Klaviyo, from start to finish, ensuring you're ready to run effective campaigns by the end. Let's dive right into it. The first thing you need to do is access your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Settings section, which you can find at the bottom left corner of your Shopify dashboard. Don't rush past this step because it's the foundation for everything that follows. You'll then want to click on the Checkout option. This specific area is where we'll be focusing on configuring your marketing settings. Now that you're in the Checkout settings, look for a section labeled Marketing Options. This is a pivotal step. Here, you'll enable SMS marketing for your store. This capability allows you to send direct messages to your customers, offering that personal touch that can make a big difference in customer engagement and sales. After enabling SMS, you'll see an option called SMS App. Clicking on this will take you to the Shopify App Store. This is where the fun begins, as you'll be selecting a third-party SMS app that integrates seamlessly with your store. The App Store will showcase a variety of SMS apps, each designed with different features and pricing structures. It's tempting to pick the first app you see, but take your time. Consider what features you need, whether it's automation, advanced analytics, or specialized campaign options. Once you've chosen the app that best suits your needs, it's time to install it. Many Shopify merchants choose the Klaviyo app because of its robust integration with Shopify and its proven track record in driving results. Installing the app is straightforward. Just follow the prompts provided by the Setup Wizard, which will guide you through the necessary steps to ensure everything is configured correctly. This might include connecting your store to the app, importing your customer list, and customizing campaign settings to match your brand's messaging strategy. Every SMS app has its unique setup process, so it's essential to carefully follow the specific instructions for the app you've selected. Doing so ensures that your SMS campaigns are set up to succeed right from the start. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up SMS marketing for your Shopify store using Klaviyo. You're now ready to create engaging SMS campaigns that can help boost your sales and enhance customer engagement. Remember, the key to successful SMS marketing is crafting messages that are relevant and timely, ensuring your customers feel valued and not overwhelmed. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of Klaviyo SMS marketing for Shopify tutorial, start to finish. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.